If you cook rice often and want consistent results without constantly checking the pot, this video is for you. Today, we're taking a close look at the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker with fuzzy logic and 18 cooking functions, and why it's becoming a popular choice for busy households. Let's start with capacity. This rice cooker holds up to 10 cups of uncooked rice, which makes it ideal for families, meal prepping, or anyone who cooks in batches. Whether you're making rice for dinner, leftovers for the week, or hosting guests, this size gives you flexibility without taking up excessive counter space. One of the standout features is fuzzy logic technology. Instead of following a fixed timer, this rice cooker automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time during a 7-step cooking process. That means it adapts based on the type of rice, the amount of water, and heat levels. The result is rice that comes out evenly cooked, fluffy, and consistent, even if you're not experienced in the kitchen. This model offers 18 cooking functions, which makes it much more than just a rice cooker. You can cook white rice, brown rice, and different grain types with texture control. There are also settings for oats, steaming vegetables, slow cooking soups and stews, and even sautéing ingredients before cooking rice. This allows you to build flavor directly in the pot instead of using extra pans. For busy schedules, the 24-hour delay timer is a big advantage. You can load your ingredients ahead of time, set the timer, and have rice ready exactly when you need it. Once cooking is complete, the automatic 24-hour keep warm function maintains serving temperature without drying out the rice. This is especially useful for families with different meal times. If you're short on time, COSORI also includes a quick rice feature. Using 1000 watts of power, this mode cooks white rice faster while still maintaining good texture and taste. It's a practical option for weeknights when you need food on the table quickly. Cleaning is another strong point. The non-stick ceramic inner pot prevents rice from sticking and is dishwasher safe. The removable lid and accessories can also go into the dishwasher, which saves time and makes cleanup simple after every use. In terms of build quality, the rice cooker includes a stainless steel steamer basket, adding durability and allowing you to steam vegetables or proteins while your rice cooks below. The ceramic coating is free from harsh chemicals, making it a safer option for everyday cooking. So, who is this rice cooker best for? It's ideal for families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants reliable rice with minimal effort. It's also great if you want one appliance that can handle rice, grains, soups, and basic slow-cooked meals. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use rice cooker that delivers consistent results and saves time in the kitchen, the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker is definitely worth considering. You'll find the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.